Hi, I'm Sharon from C Character Development. I'd like to walk you through our newest feature, the group email system that's integrated with your online database. This system was developed upon request in order to help busy directors keep in touch with groups of people, such as union or conference directors. It lets you send a message to a group of people with just one address. The system sends a copy of the message from you to each group member. It preserves attachments and HTML content. Messages are sent using the Mandrill API, which is part of the MailChimp suite of tools. Mandrill provides logging and tracking of individual messages, so we can tell if they're getting through. Sending messages to your groups is really simple. All you need is the group email address. Each address has several parts. It starts with a few letters identifying your department, then contains a short list ID. The domain, or the last part of the email, is set up on a special subdomain within the North American division. Once you've used a group email, it will be stored in your mail client's memory like any other address. So it's easy to use again. You can send one message to several groups at a time, or include other recipients if you wish. When you're sending to a group, it doesn't matter whether the group address is in the To field, the CC field, or the BCC field. You can manage your groups by logging into your department's administrative site. If you aren't sure of your login information, click the Forgot Password link at the bottom of the login page. Then type in your email and click Get New Password. Each person in your department should have their own login. Once you've logged in, you may need to choose Manage Contacts from the navigation menu. Then you'll see a main screen that looks like this. Your groups are listed at the left. You can send each group a message by clicking on its link right on this page. To see the members of a group, add or subtract members, choose the group name from the Manage Groups drop-down. The group screen shows current members on the left. To remove someone from the list, click the box next to their name and click Update Group. To add someone to the group, click the box next to their name in the right column and click Update Group. If you want to add someone who's not already in the database, you'll need to click back on the Main tab and go to the Database Interface. For more information about how to use the database interface, check out its tutorial, which is available separately. You can have as many groups in the system as you want. It's easy to create them and add people from your database. When you create a group, its email is automatically available right then. You don't have to wait for anything to be set up. Also, please note that only users specifically authorized for your department can send to your groups. If someone else tries to send a message to a group email, it will be logged by the system and send me an alert, but it will not go out to your group. For authorized users, sending messages is easy. Remember, you can find the group email on the main screen under Manage Contacts. You can also see the group email on the group's list page. Or you can simply ask your office staff to send you the addresses for all of your department's lists. The beauty of this is, when your office updates your database with changes at the conference or union level, nothing changes for you. You send to the same list address, but the system pulls the most current list of group members from your database. After you've sent a message, it should be processed by an automated script within 1 minute. You'll receive a confirmation message that looks like this. It shows the names and email addresses of the group members and gives a preview of your message. The system will also alert you in several other cases. If a person's email is typed wrong in your database, say someone forgot to put the .com part, you'll get an alert. If you mistype the group address and send to a group mail that doesn't exist, you will get an alert. If you need to confirm that a particular message was delivered, let me know. I can look that information up for you if it's within 30 days. As you prepare to put this system to work for your department, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, messages sent through this system will not show the list of recipients or offer a reply all option. Each person sees the message as an email from you to them. They cannot see the other group members' names or addresses. Replies will come only to you. Also, your sent mail will not show the individual messages generated by the system. Most important of all, please note that only NAD emails can send to this system. While you can send messages from any device that's logged into your NAD account, you can't send to a group from a Hotmail or Gmail account. At the beginning, Outlook may file confirmations and alerts in your spam or junk folder. If you drag an item back to your inbox, that will help Outlook learn not to file it in junk next time. Last of all, we have a couple of housekeeping items. This group email system is for small groups only, such as regional contacts or committees. It's not a subscription-based tool that visitors to your website can use to get your newsletter. Also, we ask that you refrain from sending attachments larger than 5 megabytes total. This is good practice in general. If you need to distribute a larger file, use Dropbox or upload it to your website and send folks a link. I'll be happy to help you with that. You can do this in such a way that it's not available to just anybody if you wish. This concludes the tutorial for using the group email system. If you have further questions or run into a problem, please call or email me. Thank you for letting C Character Development help with your data management needs. We take pride in making your job easier.